Hi there. I hope your year is running well. Yes. So let's talk today about the hidden cost of downtime most managers ignore. Most managers think downtime only costs them productive hours. They think that it costs just the production number, but that's not true. Downtime quietly drains cash in places we don't always expect. In this video, I show you some hidden costs of downtime. And I'm going to also discuss what you can do about them. The first thing I want to tell you, over the years, I've seen organizations invest heavily in tools, maintenance systems, yet breakdowns still happen. The problem is not always the tool. The real issue is how downtime is understood, how downtime is underestimated. And underestimated is the word. When you underestimate something, it bites you in ways you never expect. So, the hidden cost number one is labor. When equipment fail unexpectedly, what do? We deploy people to site. We work overtime. We work late night. We do meetings at odd hours. That cost really show up in our downtime report, but it directly hits profitability. And over time, it leads to fatigues, leads to mistakes, and it leads to more problems. That's what we should avoid. Number two, hidden cost is equipment damage. Anytime we repair under emergency, we really do optimal job. Components are stressed. Alignments are compromised. The quality of materials is in question because we don't just want anything to stop us from producing. And that makes sense. So we document, in our report, alternative materials that are not optimal just to get production going. But I've seen it leading us to bigger problems. And we need to avoid this by all means. Hidden cost number three is safety and reputation. Downtime increases safety risk. Take it from me, no doubt about it. Pressure leads to shortcuts. And beside that, lead to reputation loss, customer distrust, missed opportunities, and trust is something that is important for any business. When your customer or your managers or your directors lose trust in you, to claim that back can be an Hercules task. So In the midst of all this, what can we do differently? The first thing that managers can do differently for me is first, track downtime beyond lost production. Track it beyond lost production. Take a holistic approach. The second, focus preventive maintenance on critical equipment. Critical equipment. Not everything cannot be important if we're going to make progress. Third thing, review downtime events monthly and ask one question. What system failed? Not who failed. This is system thinking. What system failed is not who failed. If you are able to pinpoint the systems that failed, you have made one progress. Now, downtime is not just a maintenance problem. It's a leadership problem. It's a system issue. It's a process problem. And we need to fix it. For us to be able to get the best out of our assets, those assets are expensive. They need to deliver the number. But we need to shape things up. So, if this has been very useful to you, hit the subscribe button below. What that is going to do is you're going to get a prompt anytime I post this kind of useful information. This practical insight is great for maintenance, operation, engineering, and leadership. So share it with your friends and colleagues. And you can do one more thing. Share your biggest downtime challenge out there. Let's brainstorm together. The goal is simple. Let's make our assets great again. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.